Are you joking right now? So, oh my god! Oh! Did you see that chicken? There was a rock sequence right here where you had to like press A.
Who are you? Stop right there.
Oh dang, he's about to give me the virus.
Routes to Condor 1. I've identified a route to the lake. Look for a large windmill. There's a path on the far side of it.
Windmill. Copy that.
And be careful. Roost out.
You failed to mention that your partners are dead. And we need a key. Find the key. Find the beautiful key. We didn't find the key. But when we do, we'll be happy and be happy. Oh! You friggin'. Oh, crap.
There it is.
Oh, I think I know this place. They've really closed it up a lot. Here's the well. Oh, she dropped an egg. Sweet. Oh, man. So now we gotta find a gear, huh?
Gotta fix everything myself.
Yep. Hacha. See, and there's those medallions again. It's probably better to do it now.
Blue medallion.
Oh, you gotta be joking. That's one smart lady. Your face. I want to kick this down. This is... Are you joking right now? Oh my god. Can he come to the window? The answer to that question is a very big yes. Oh my god! Getting out of this situation here. Whatever this situation was. Maybe get a little closer. Headshot. Bang. Hello, and a little bit more group action. Power and a kisser. Oh god. Nope, you're not doing that to me again. I think he was messing up his own car. Nope, nope, nope. Thank you. Do I have enough bullets to take these guys out? Oh god, I'm waiting for the big guy. Because the little guys are not really... I wonder if he ever throw his hammer at me. Oh god! Gosh, he got me again. Oh. Thank you. Chicken egg. Bro, if he gets you with that attack out in the open... Mr. Ooh, buddy. Seen that? See if we can take him out. Oh, that was a good shot to the face. Ah! Yeah, egg good. Bye-bye. Ooh, pow, pow, pow. Ooh, I need to start using that more in groups. Dude, they're everywhere, dude. I'm trying to take the big guy out. Ooh, I think I did. As long as the chickens are fine, I can get eggs. We're good. I think. I wonder how many eggs they give, or as long as they're scared. I'm really gonna take all these guys out. They made me mad. And I want to explore this place a little bit. Come on. What even is that, dude? Did you see that chicken? Oh, found a wooden cog. Awesome. Sweet. Oh, look, he's rolling in the mud. You gotta take in the little things. Oh, I found another medallion. I wonder what happens if I shoot that. Oh. That's the pearl pendant, but it's not dirty. Oh, I should have shot it over here so it didn't fall in the... Okay, maybe. I don't know. Oh, I found the last one, I think. I have to go this way. Okay. Hold this to move it, I guess. Okay. There was a rock sequence right here where you had to like press. Okay. I did evade it. Oh god, don't tell me. Yeah, run. You took that like a champ. Oh. Sweet. This lady is escaping me. Ouchie. And there was a cave up here. Okay, I guess not a cave, but this. There used to be like shiny things on the top of this. I don't see any shiny things. I see bats. Oh, he saw me. Oh god, no. There's a trip mine trying to get me. Gosh darn it. Oh my god. Kind of ran into that one. I ran into that one too. Okay. My bad. Ah! You got me with that. Yeah. Shoot, I knew there was going to be somebody behind me. He almost got me. What? Dude, that was oh. Oh, and this guy. Yeah, I forgot. No. They just keep lighting fireworks, don't they? Hopefully that doesn't blow us all up. Oh, dang it. They got something for me up here, though. This is not over. Another? Finally. Oh man. What is that thing crawling out of his chest? Look at that thing. What? I ain't never seen nothing like it. What's that noise? It's getting really annoying. Oh. Can we shoot those? Oh, Salazar's. No crap. Revolt against the revolting. Destroy the clockwork. Now I need to find a... Come on, dude. I don't have any bullets for you guys. Go ahead, light it. Got him. Whopper, whopper, whopper. Here is the place. It's time to go inside. Jib jab. Whoa, bro. I need to shoot that one. Ooh, that worked. Hear Lewis banging around over there. He's been doing that for a little bit. Who the heck is this? There we go. It's a guitar. Look at the guitar. So cool guitar. Wait on Lewis. I'm coming. Jeez. Some people are so impatient.
What's that noise?
I don't remember this. Bro, ahí está yourself, man. I'm not very good at aiming in this game so far. Woo, take it, do it. Sweet. Oh, I don't want to open the hatch. What is this? No, I wanted to explore. There's more to explore. Big, scary hole in the floor? Sure, why not? Done it before. Ooh. Maybe if we just act like we didn't see anything. This never happened. Lewis, is that you?
That hurts, you know? Seemed like you really wanted to talk. How observant, senor. Now, say, you got a smoke? You know, those things will kill you. Oh, well, maybe just untie me then, huh? Joder, not this guy! Who are you? Hey, stop right there!
Es el queso grande. That hurt. Ouchie. Oh dang, he's about to give me the virus.